How does the individual right theory interpret well-regulated militia? Imagine a time when communities relied on their own members for defense and security. The concept of a militia has roots in this historical context, where citizens banded together to protect their homes and families. Today, the interpretation of the term well-regulated militia has sparked considerable debate, particularly in relation to individual rights. The individual right theory suggests that the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution protects an individual's right to possess firearms, independent of any service in a militia. This perspective emphasizes the importance of personal liberty and self-defense. Proponents argue that the phrase, well-regulated militia, does not limit the right to bear arms solely to organized military groups but extends to individuals as well. Supporters of this theory often reference historical documents and writings from the Founding Fathers. They assert that the right to bear arms was intended to empower individuals to protect themselves against tyranny and to ensure personal safety. This interpretation contrasts with the collective right theory, which posits that the right to bear arms is tied to service in a state militia. In legal discussions, courts have examined the Second Amendment's language and historical context to determine its meaning. The Supreme Court's ruling in District of Columbia v. Heller in 2000 marked a significant moment for the individual right theory. The court affirmed that individuals have the right to own firearms for self-defense within their homes, reinforcing the idea that the right to bear arms is not exclusively linked to militia service. As the conversation continues, the interpretation of well-regulated militia remains a focal point in discussions about gun rights and regulations. Understanding these differing viewpoints is essential for grasping the complexities surrounding the Second Amendment and its implications for individual rights in contemporary society.